Don't you hate that dirty old hose? It kinks, splits, and it always leaks. And it's way too heavy to carry around. It's time to get the brand new Pocket Hose Copperhead. Just turn on the water and watch it grow to a full-size hose. It stretches and expands like a rubber band. Old-fashioned hoses get kinks and creases at the spigot, but the new Pocket Pivot swivels 360 degrees. Just connect to the spigot and watch it pivot. And when you turn off the water, away it goes, shrinking back to a pocket-size hose. And it makes it easy to carry and put away. Copperhead's Tri-Tex inner tube uses 3 separate layers of high-strength latex, wrapped in our new force field jacket, inspired by the filament used in force fire hoses because it's light and tough, 3 times stronger than the other hoses. The Pocket Hose is so unique and so innovative, it was awarded over 100 patents. So don't wait. Order now